Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about tuples in Python programming language. In my previous video I talked about dictionaries, and today I want to show how operations can be performed using tuples in Python. So let's get started. So at first I want to create a tuple using the first bracket. So we printed our tuple. Let's check the type. Okay, check the length. Using the len. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements in our tuple. Now let's iterate. So the tuple using for loop. For item in tuple 1, print item and also the type of each item. So this is a string, integer, float, complex number, boolean, another string. Now iterate through the tuple using while loop. While n less than tuple 1 print tuple 1 n, then increment n by 1. So orange 21.878J false dolphin. Created tuple using tuple function. Let's create a list first. Tiger, lion, jaguar, leopard. List to tuple. We will convert this list into a tuple using tuple function. Animals. Print list to tuple, print type list to tuple. So we have converted this list into a tuple, and we can also check the class. Now create an empty tuple. We can do this in two ways in Python. One is using this first bracket, empty one. Another is calling the tuple function but not providing any element inside it. That's how we can create empty tuple in Python. Now create an one element tuple. Shape, comma is must, print type 1. So this is our tuple, contains only one element and class role. If we do not provide this comma, this will be treated as an string. Access elements in a tuple. So we have already created tuple 1. So let's access this element. So we provide 1. This is positive indexing. We can also use negative indexing. Let's create type is false. So -1, -2 is false. We can also use slicing here. Tuple 1. This is slicing. So 0, 1, 2. It starts from 2 and prints till dolphin. Tuple 1. So it starts from the beginning, 0, 1, 2, doesn't print the third one. Tuple 1, -3. So this is -1, -2, -3. It starts from orange but doesn't print -3. Okay, let's check another one. Tuple. So we can also print backwards. So dolphin false 78 7.8 21 orange. Okay, add elements to a tuple. For doing that, we have to convert our tuple in a list, because otherwise we cannot add elements to a tuple. Print list 1. Sorry. Okay, now append this to, let's append a boolean. Tuple 2, convert this list into a tuple. Print tuple 2. So we have we had 6 elements in tuple 1, then we converted into a list and appended a new one. Now we have 7 elements. You can also confirm the type tuple 2. Concatenate tuples Let's create two new tuples. 1 2 3, tuple 4 4 5 6, tuple 5, tuple 4. So we have concatenated tuple 3 and tuple 4 and created a new tuple. So repeat the elements let's create tuple 6 10 20 30, tuple 6 multiplied by 3. So we have repeated each element 3 times in this way. Okay, count the frequency of an element using count method. Let's create a new tuple 4 5 4 3 4. Okay, we want to count how many times 4 appeared in this tuple. So 1 2 3 4 5 times. Find the position of an element using index method. Tuple 8 1 2 3 4 5. Index. Let's see. We want to see the index of this number. So it should return us 1. That's what we get. Final example for tuple, nested tuples. Create 1 1 2, create 2 a true false. Create 3. Oh, sorry, not concatenate, just put it in first bracket. So we'll create a nested tuple. So print create. Okay, now access the first element 1 2. If we want to access the individual element, Let's say, for example, if you want to use access the 2, we have to mention 1 here. Okay, so these are the 14 different operations that can be performed using tuples in Python. That's the end of this video. In the next video, I will talk about sets in Python. Thank you.